President Trump's tax cuts and spending bill is just a signature away from becoming a reality, and the legislation may have a big impact on you. Good evening, I'm Sydney Moore. From food banks to health care, there could be some big changes soon. WFMY News 2's Joseph Leonard dives into the impact.
The food bank I spoke with says these cuts mean less food on the table, and a nonprofit that helps rural doctors and patients access care says it could lead to dangerous health consequences or worse. The Trump-backed spending bill combines tax breaks with sweeping cuts, boosting the child tax credit, adding deductions for tips and overtime, while cutting funding for SNAP benefits and Medicaid. Supporters say it's about curbing fraud and spending, but Eric Aft, CEO of Second Harvest, says SNAP benefits are a lifeline for many.
Here in Northwest North Carolina, it's 260,000 individuals that receive SNAP, and that can be a very modest amount of $30 or $40 a month. That it is the way that they are able to buy produce or meat or dairy items.
The bill also shifts more Medicaid costs to states, possibly leaving counties to fill the gap. Senator Tom Tillis says it could strip coverage from more than 600,000 North Carolinians. Karen Wallace-Miggs with the Western Carolina Medical Society says that's dangerous.
People will travel longer distances to get to a hospital to get care. Oftentimes, if they are not covered or do not have Medicaid, they will wait longer. That means they'll have worse outcomes. They'll be sicker when they arrive. I truly fear we will find North Carolinians will die.
She says some rural hospitals could shut down, forcing people to travel longer for care.
I understand people worry about a great many things, but this is going to happen and people are going to be left behind. Neighbors, brothers, sisters, parents, grandparents, and if not now, maybe next week or next year, and it's difficult to think about.
Aft says cutting SNAP benefits will make life even harder for families already trying to make ends meet.
These are families just trying to figure it out every single month. And when you remove one of the key ways to be able to purchase food, it just is going to make it that much harder to pay for childcare, to pay for transportation, to pay for rent.
The bill passed the House by just a few votes. It now heads to President Trump, where he's expected to sign it into law at a 4th of July ceremony tomorrow.